Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing good wherever you're at. So remember last video I talked about Radium and staking, providing liquidity on the Radium.io platform, and I mentioned in the video you get 750%. Well, now it's down to 250%, which is still great. And I'm going to actually provide you another way where you can make passive income, and that's by staking the Room token with Ethereum on the option.finance protocol. So this one is actually paying 7x right now, and you can earn court tokens. And I'm going to mention how you can earn easily $400 to $2,000 over the course of 30 days by doing this. So first, let's go over exactly what Option Room is and how you can earn court tokens, which are going to be worth between $400 to $2,000 per token at least when it comes out on May 13th. So basically, there's a lot of big Twitter followers that have been talking about the Room token, and you can see here on the option_room Twitter that they announced March 13th. We're excited to announce that court farming is live. Over the next 3 months, court will be farmable by staking Room, Room LP, HT, and Matter. The first 30 days will give ×2 rewards, and the maximum amount of court in circulation is 40,000. So this number is huge, this 40,000 maximum in circulation. So real quick, let's go ahead and go to coinmarketcap.com. And you remember Urine Finance? Well, that supply is 36,635. So if Court token has 40,000 supply, I mean, again, Urine's ranked 65 and it's $34,000. So I'm going to be very conservative with a price target of $400 to $2,000 per Court token when it releases. And then we can see it going up to these levels in the future. But you can see just the advantage of getting these Court tokens early by farming them, so that you can possibly, get free money whenever it comes out March 13th and lists on Uniswap. So big thing here is, again, it mentions staking, and then it has this website here under it. Now, when you click on that website, you can see here that it basically shows you where you can farm. Now, first you need to provide liquidity to the pool before you can start getting these tokens, okay? So first, to provide liquidity, you just click approve here, and then it'll actually take you to the Uniswap platform, where then you can stake your Room and Ethereum. And then from there, then you'll be able, you can see here, it'll basically say confirm, and then it'll take you to that. But after you approve it and basically provide liquidity for the Room Ethereum pool, then from there you can go to court farming, and you can click earn court, and you can see here I've earned 0.25 court already. Well, you'll be able to stake it, and then it'll take it from your MetaMask wallet, what liquidity you're providing, and then it'll convert it with their equation, and based off of that, you'll start earning your court. And you can see here depositing Room and Ethereum is going to be 7x. So basically what you could earn normally, if you're just depositing Matter or HT, well, you can earn 7 times that for the first 30 days if you deposit Room and Ethereum. And you can see here right now for 30 days you can earn 1.66 court. So again, that could be anywhere from $600 all the way up to $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, depending when court releases on Uniswap and how much it will be worth from there. So this is a big way you can do it. And again, a lot of big Twitter followers have been mentioning this. So you see Bagsy, if you know him, he's got almost 100,000 followers. He mentioned on March 13th, welcome to court, rooms that matter. And basically he was announcing this court farming when it was live. And if you scroll down, there's also this guy, Mackin BTC. He has over 54,000 followers. He was mentioning court. And then if you scroll down, Nico Z, he has over 57,000 followers. He was mentioning court as well. So you can see a lot of opportunity for this. So I definitely think this will be big. And again, if you just click on the link that Option has, I'll go ahead and scroll down to their article that they had. And you can see here it says initial supply 0 court, max supply 40,000 court, maximum supply reached after 3 months. Farming period is 3 months after starting March 13th. First 30 days give ×2 court rewards, and then court becomes claimable May 13th. So again, you can basically see here that it breaks down everything that I've said. And then on May 13th, it'll become tradable on Uniswap. More details will be announced to that. So expect over the next couple months, people to be talking about this. Again, not a lot are talking about it now, but if you're able to get on this farming early, then you can earn court, which again can be worth thousands of dollars per token, since the max supply is only 40,000. I mean, which is insane. So something to keep in mind. So let me know if you have any questions below with that. And then one other thing I want to talk about is the Radium Staking. So I mentioned you can earn right now, it's 252% APR. Well, whenever you have rewards, so say you stake your Radium, so basically I already talked about the liquidity here. You provide Ray, and then always do Ethereum when I provide liquidity. And then I have those 2 pairings, and you provide liquidity down here. You click this, and then you go to farms, and you can click down here for the Radium Ethereum pool, then you can click Stake LP and it'll stake whatever you need to stake. But when you do end up earning rewards on here, I earned over 4.5 Radium. I actually harvested it, and then from there, I went to liquidity, and I had the Radium, 4.6 Radium. I had it right here. So you want to reinvest that so you can get even more. So I went to swap, and basically from there, you can swap your Radium, because remember, when you want to stake it for liquidity, you got to have the same amount of Radium and Ethereum if you want to stake them. So then you just go select token, Ethereum, and basically divide it in two. So I put 2.3 Radium, convert it to ETH, and then from there, I added it to the liquidity pool here, Radium and Ethereum. And then from there, I clicked stake again, and then it basically staked on top of what I already had. So now I'm earning this APR, and again, it's even more than I was earning before because I'm just reinvesting my rewards. So something to definitely do if you're going to be a long-term holder of these. I definitely recommend it, but again, not financial advice. So with that, let's go over some Bitcoin technical analysis and a few altcoins. So here on the Whales buy sell indicator, you can see it flashed a sell, and it would have got you on the next candle at 58,990. From there, Bitcoin's gotten to a low of 53,196. So this Whales buy sell is a good indication here. And then also you can see the MFI Pro was actually crossing down below this white signal line. This is on the 8-hour. That was another confirmation right there, and it just kept going down. And you can see here on the Synergy indicator, it provided a red alarm at the very top, and then a red dot, red X, and red diamond all. So you should have seen all these knowing that would have been continued downtrend. Right now we're looking at a support level of 52,210. If it can't hold that, then we're going to be looking at the next of 48,600 and then 43,800. So keep that in mind. Again, there's a lot of bullish action. You can see we caught the buy here on the Whales buy sell, and then the sell for this downside. So again, really, really good catching those trades, and hopefully we can hold this support at 52,000 if we do get there. Next, looking at Ethereum. So Whales buy sell called a sell signal on Ethereum, and would have got you in at 1882, and we've been to a low of 1707. So almost a 10% move there. Again, the MFI Pro was crossing down into the green wave and basically continued down through the white signal line, and then right there you saw the big drop happen. And then at the same time, you had this red diamond here as well on the Synergy indicator. So looking at Ethereum right here, looking at a support level of 1682 and a resistance of 1836. So if it can, so it may start trading in this channel here for a couple days, but again, if it does break this 1680, then not looking too good, and possibly looking as low as 1430 further down. So we'll see how that goes on Ethereum, but hopefully we can hold this support at 1680. Next, Solana. You know, I'm big on these DeFi coins. Right now, we're right at support at $13.50. If we can't hold this, then we're going lower to $11.80. But if we can bounce here, then it'll be a good take profit target of 1530, and then second take profit of about 1760. So hopefully Solana can hold here. Again, a great protocol with a good ecosystem that's growing. As you know, the FTX CEO, Sam, is really bullish on these DeFi protocols. So I think Solana can definitely be big. And I think these are very good buying levels here and below if it does continue to the downside. Next on Serum, again, Whales buy sell caught the sell signal here. And right now we're right in the middle of this channel here between $4.40 and $6. So looking at everything still looks pretty bearish here. So possibly seeing, if we can't bounce here, then seeing lower at $4.40. But if we can, then again, testing that resistance of $6 and then continuing on to about $7 from there. So hopefully Serum can continue to the upside from here. So still very bullish on Serum. Bunfida, this has been a really good coin. It's actually been outperforming. It hasn't gone down as much as the other coins, and that's something that I like to see in bear markets, or more so short-term bear trends. So I don't think we're in a bear market right now. I think we're still in a long-term bull market. But you can see Bunfida right now is holding that support at $1.85. Again, still the buy signal on the Whales buy sell, so still some positive price action here. That says a lot. Even though you do have these red alarm signals, you know, could possibly continue to the downside here if it breaks this support. The next support we'd be looking at is $1.56. But you can see right now we're in uncharted territory being at this high. So really this next resistance is, you know, at that $2 mark. If we can break that $2, then, you know, it's anyone's guess, you know, how high we can go from there. So definitely good on Bunfida. If you want to buy this, look for a pullback after it breaks this support level, possibly around $1.55, $1.50 level to buy in. Next, looking at FTT. So the FTT token has been doing really good. Again, the FTX exchange is growing like crazy. I think it's going to be as big, if not bigger, than Binance. Sam is such a hard worker, and the guy works 7 days a week. So it definitely shows. And right now, FTT is showing that support here at this 38.80 level. So if it can hold this, looking for it to retest this previous high of 43.30, and then from there again breaking out. But everything right now is still pointing to the downside on the 3 hours. So if it does break this support, then looking for it to retest this support at 34.60. It'd be a good buy level, and then even way down here at $30.80. So two good buy levels if you are looking to buy some more lower. And last but not least, Radium. Radium right now, the whales buy, sell, flash to sell would have got you in at 1087. So far we're at 1004. So if we continue downside, next support is 950, and then from there it's going to be 775. But again, this resistance we need to break is $11, so we can retest the highs of 1260. So right now, this MFI Pro is looking like it wants to flash a buy signal. And then if this synergy indicator can curve to the upside, then we'll definitely see some good action here and a good retest of this $11. So with that, if y'all have any questions about the staking or any liquidity pools I was talking about, or my TA, or how you can get any of these indicators, I'm going to message me. This guy, Crypto Scripts, he sells this whale buy sell indicator, and then I sell this synergy indicator. So anything you want to buy or you're interested in, let me know. But with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.